Slowly lang, ha?
Kaya ako yung tuwing.
Sige. Sasabihin kung sinong leader ha, just do it. Okay, pag hindi mo na nakikita yung other members, it's your time to lead. That's right. Okay. Okay. Sige. Okay. That's right. Sige. Okay. Okay. And stop. Okay. Now, guys, can you move a little bit here? Move tayo ng konti. Move tayo ng konti. Can you forward? Kasi itin natin sila. Just be mindful of the space. Move tayo dito. Kung kanina, among your... Move forward. Yeah. Move forward. So, medyo maliit lang yung ano natin ha. Space. Move forward. Move forward. Move forward. Huwag matakotin yung mga ngayon. Huwag mo siya malapit. Okay. Sige. Ngayon, this time, kung kanina, among your groups lang tayo, this time, we will be doing successive leadership among the groups. For example, you guys are moving, di ba? Ibibigay ko muna ngayon sa inyo yung leadership. Tapos, kapag humarap sila doon, kayo na ang mag-move, ililid nyo na silang lahat. Nagets nyo? Yes. Tapos, halimbawa, so, pakiramdaman lang to. Mata, walang bibig. Okay? Naintindihan yung gagawin? Yes. Okay? Sige, let's start here. And move, go! Mirroring ha? And move. Follow. Follow. Kung anong ginagawa nila, follow. Okay? Using your eyes only. Follow, 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 follow. Mirror, 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 mirror. Okay? Yes. Slowly. Yes. That's right. Okay. Oh, move. Yes. 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 And okay. Yes. Move it. Yes. Sige. Sige. And move. Oh, okay. Pinasa. Move. Any member of the group ha may lead. Move. 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 And move. Yeah. Okay. Move. Yes. Yes. Okay. Oh. Paano yun? Yes. Okay. Oh. Favorite niya yan.